The TECWELD 250A 7-in-1 MIG Welder is a versatile machine designed for a wide range of welding processes, making it perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and professional metal fabricators. Featuring an intuitive synergic control system, this welder allows users to select wire size for automatic voltage and current adjustments, ensuring precise results on stainless steel, aluminum, and carbon steel. Equipped with advanced IGBT inverter technology and double pulse precision, it delivers stable arcs, minimal spatter, and energy-efficient operation, making aluminum welding seamless and productive. The welder supports a variety of wire types and sizes, making it compatible with materials ranging from stainless steel to alloy steel, and is built to withstand heavy-duty use in workshops and industrial sites. Safety is a priority, with built-in protections against overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating, along with a large LED display for easy operation and monitoring. With its compact design and a 2-year warranty, the TECWELD 250A offers both reliability and peace of mind, ensuring safe and efficient performance for any welding project.